What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and in today's video we're going to be working with Luvme hair. Now, I haven't worked with Luvme hair in a really long time. Also, now y'all, I'm not even gonna lie. When I took this wig out the package, I was like, what is this? What is this? Y'all, I wish I had a before picture of how it looked before I even bleached it and all that good stuff. Y'all, that wig looked like, when I put the wig on my head, it stopped like this, like, and the hair was just sticking out. And I was like, how am I about to finesse this wig? Because the way it looks when I just took out the packet, it looked so short, y'all. Like, it was going to stop at my ear. Like, I was so scared. I was like, you know what? I know how to finesse a wig. And that's exactly what I did. So now, I'm really surprised this hair look as... Now, don't get me wrong. I love Luvme hair. The hair is soft. The curls is fire. It's giving real natural. Like, this reminds me of my real natural hair. And I never ever had a wig, a curly wig with like blonde highlights in it like this. Like, they would say it would look like this and you get a whole different wig. My wig really looks like the picture, and I love this wig. I just wish it was a little longer. At least, like, I have 12 inches. At least like 14, 16, but I still love this hair. But yeah, I'm really surprised at how this hair turned out. It was originally a middle part, but I feel like I do middle parts too much. I love middle parts though. Bust down middle part is my style to go. But I had to like just throw it to the side real quick. I just put 2 edges. And y'all, Luvme lace always gave natural, like what lace? And y'all, I didn't even glue this wig down. This is literally a 1, 2, 3 quick install. I used Got To Be Freeze and Blast spray for my edges, for the hairline basically, and this for my baby hair. Like, this is a 1, 2, 3 wig, y'all. Literally, it didn't take, I don't feel like it took me even like 10 minutes to install. This wig was really, honestly, easy and quick to install. I would highly recommend this hair. Luvme, period. They always had good hair. Beginning, I don't know if you guys saw me struggling. I feel like the lace was a little bit small, so that's why it's like extra lace on the sides, but you can't tell because it blends in. It's like extra lace on the sides, but you honestly can't tell. And that's how you, y'all, that's just how you finesse a wig. Like, that's how you finesse a wig. I did not expect this hair to look the way it looks. And this hair is mad cute. Like, it's mad soft, mad fluffy. Like, this dead remind me of my natural hair. Like, my natural hair looks just like this when it's curly. But yes, I would highly recommend this hair. This hair is a 10 out of 10 for me. Lace is bomb. Lace is mad thin, y'all. Lace is mad thin. I didn't even have to like put a second band on to really melt the lace, because the lace already did its thing the first time. Like, I was honestly so surprised. But yeah, this hair is giving me auntie on vacation. Like, it's really giving auntie on vacation. But yeah, yes, like I said, I would recommend this hair. All the hair details will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.